is a wife material bana. Ukikula chakula yake ni hivyo. Wewe muda utoke. Kosoko.
Hapana sikosoko. Sikosoko hata kama because I believe with purpose I can be one. And now finally I want to invite my friends to come and sample the food, especially the fish fillet, to tell us whether it is on point ama tumeangusha bet.
Point. On point. Guy, out of 10 akupea 12.
Inaitwa Angie's Bloom Home Cooking.
Angie's Bloom Home Cooking. Wow.
Yes.
Amazing bana. Kempinski kuja class. Like my chef.
Opeke classes.
Bana.
Yes. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Also can't wait to taste. Tujui kwa aje.
Tunamalizia huko nje.
Lazima.
Welcome to the Austin Nation channel. This is where you find the most creative, talented, innovative people. So guess what, guys? Today I decided to bring you one amazing Angie. Man, she's a chef, she's a lawyer, she's many things, but that mix of genius iko imekuwa pamoja. So today we'll be knowing more about her. She'll be telling her about herself, how she went into everything that she's doing. She's a YouTuber, by the way. You should visit her channel and take a link hapo chini. So guys, we'll be talking, we'll be having a conversation, and it will be amazing. Welcome. Niaje.
Poa sana.
Tuna kutaki brother.
Yes, unajua kufanya hivyo. Sijui ni ngumu mbwekze.
So, introduce yourself to my people.
Hey guys, mkoaje? My name is Angie Maore. A student at Mount Kenya University, Parklands Law Campus. I'm a YouTuber. I do content concerning with cooking. And also I'm a business lady. And many other things. But let's major with those.
So, I told you guys I'll be bringing one mix of genius. By the way, tumetoka kitchen and
Wependa?
My guys, me ntamia huko.
You are welcome by the way. Na by the way hata vitu zimemwona tukifanya huko ni vitu tu comrades wameitisha, and I think that's why I find it easy to do it.
So how did you go into cooking and all that? Passion in it?
Cooking, let me say it's kind of a passion. Yes, it's a passion. I won't say it's a talent. It's not a talent. Because if it's talent, it's something inbuilt. Then so maybe I've started it long time ago. But for the cooking, I started by cooking kidogo. Ile tunapika yangu kwa nyumba. I post on status. Then my friends used to tell me, hey, unapika food poa. So tupe tips, ama tupe steps on how you cook the food. So that's how I thought, let me start a YouTube channel. But I can say it was triggered and also influenced by the comrades.
I tell you, Mother,
comrades.
she is a wife material bana. Ukikula chakula yake ni hivyo. Wewe muda utoke uhami.
Watu wakujie classes bana.
Maze.
Wasichana wajue kupika, mkuze classes.
Wanaita gwaje maslay queen.
Nasikianga.
Bana. Guys tutaanza kuapply. Tutakuwa tunatuma girlfriend kama hajui kupika.
Anakuja.
Ana-apply.
Yes, in my house at least naweza accommodate 2 or 3. So they can come like a boarding session. Anakuja wiki mbili unatoka kwa mapro.
Kwa mapro. Man, sikwambia mwanangu huwezi pika.
Hakuna dem by there afai kwa anajua kupika na pia machali like si wote tujue kupika. That's why Angie's Bloom Home Cooking iko pale.
So si ya men peke yake.
Na si ya ladies peke yake.
So
sisi wote.
So, ukipata mwanaume anajua kupika, that's a turn on ama?
Mwanaume anajua kupika, acha niseme hiyo ni additional point. Sitasema ni turn on. Because turn on iko na different definitions on different people. The way I handle or understand the word turn on is different from how you take it. So I'll say it's a bonga point.
It's a bonga point.
Yes.
Guy, +1.
It's a +1 for my ideal man.
Uko soko?
Hapana, siko soko. Siko soko hata kama bado kuna kitu nafaa ifanyike, but kuna mtu. Kuna watchman. Kuna mlinzi.
So mtu anaweza gongewa hapa anytime. Kicheza
security tight kama kifuniko ya gas.
Wow.
Yes.
Nakwambia the good ones are already taken.
But I'm sorry kwa wenye nime heartbreak.
Anyway, no hard feelings.
No hard feelings. Mbona tunacheka na siku tunakucheka.
So, guy, nakwambia by the good ones wanakuwa already taken. Tell us more about yourself.
More about myself. I'm someone who is very friendly, but I don't have many friends. I'm friendly, but I don't have many friends. I don't know whether you get the point. Then I'm someone that people can't easily understand. You can't easily comprehend who exactly Angie is. I'm someone who loves hard work and also working smart, because I believe every result that comes and that you feel enyewe hikitu najivunia, I believe it should come from hard work na ile work smart. So in short, mimi ni mtu wa kufanya kazi. Wow. But there are so many other things that I can say about myself, but wacha tuseme hard work.
Unataka kujua motivation yako ni gani?
Motivation yangu.
Ukiamka kila siku. Baadaye nasikia kuna watu wako na vision board nini. Uko na vitu kama hizo?
Nakuwa tu vitabu vingine hapo. Nimeandika what I would love to achieve by this time. But you see, there's what we call purpose. Purpose, I think it's my best friend, because I believe with purpose, I can be one super person that even the whole world can recognize. Because there's nothing that a man can really strive or work in with, to say, from day to another day, without you having the purpose. So the core thing is purpose.
So what unadhani purpose yako?
And also another thing is poverty.
You fear poverty?
I fear poverty. I fear poverty.
Poverty is not my friend.
Poverty.
Tell me, tukiwa tunaona Angie pale, apart from hapa kwa YouTube, what should we be expecting?
About expecting? I think what people should know is Angie is full of ambitions. Angie is full of, like, she's someone who is always thinking. So I can just tell people to expect something good.
5 years from now.
5 years from now.
Unajiona ukiwa nani?
A very great business lady. A good and straight, I can say someone who is very smart when it comes to the legal side, because I'm also doing something with the law. So, but mostly the business part. The business part and then the legal part. And also, there's something then that I'm going to introduce, but people are going to know it later. But it's something nice.
So tunangojea.
Yes.
Guys, tumeanza kuwa curious.
It's something good. Something good. Touching the humanity.
Tunaanza foundation.
I don't know. Something of the sort. Let people keep guessing.
My guys.
You can keep guessing.
Nice. I'm challenged. As a man with dreams. So, niambie, apart from law and cooking, what else?
I would say business. Pesa. Biashara.
Chasing the paper.
Yes.
So money inakumotivate.
Money motivates me bana.
Kuna wengine niliuliza.
Especially the money that I earn through my hard work or my activities.
Kwanza mimi nifanye kazi ilipe. Ningeaga hoteli kwanza.
It's really motivating, but at least you should save kidogo.
Lakini unajua
pengine then yenye nabaki ingia hoteli.
It is because kuna time nilikuwa nafanya kazi na silipwi. So nilikuwa like guy hata I have nothing
but
to show.
I think in the days that we are coming or going to, the best thing or the best businesses will be the sole proprietorships. Yeah. Because this is a kuandikwa
tricky, man.
Tricky.
But the people need to be business minded.
So it's the high time you look for something and be a CEO somewhere.
Start businesses.
Yes. Like me now, you see. At least there's also that pride. For example, CEO Angie's Collection. YouTuber Angie's Bloom Home Cooking.
Tuka hizo
zinakufanya pia you get that energy to sleep, wake up tomorrow.
Do something for the people.
You are motivated.
So
because you see also you'll be getting something, let's say even daily, compared to the other one you have to wait for the monthly pay.
So guys, lazima ujilipe. Kujilipe imanishi kuingia hoteli peke yake. I mean buying yourself a good house. Ndio.
Tafuta pesa vizuri.
Kujilipa but that means a lot of things. Kununua shamba. As in doing something for yourself and unajua it can show. Si kupeleka tu watu wakajibambe peke yake na. So ambie watu kitu, especially the women out there. Unajua pengine kuna mtu fulani hata kuingia law lakini hana motivation or start business.
They should just be motivated by the word, from the word go, because I think even in the future that we are coming to, the females are going to dominate. The future is feminine. The future is feminine, the future is fertile with the women. And then no one should be discouraged by anyone. If you have the ambition or want to do something, then do it. Don't be told by someone you can't, ati haufai, hauwezi, ikitu haifanywi na wanawake, ikitu. Plus also, it's coming to a point whereby you find like even the home roles are no longer supposed to be
gender-based.
They should not even be gender-based. So anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. And then when it comes to the issue of law, hakuna mtu hawezi fanya.
Man.
Kwanza, law is easy.
Kwanza women are there, man.
Yeah.
Wengi.
You see, for example, when you come to the class, there are few gents, many ladies. Yeah, so I think the ladies, you have the platform. It's only you to push yourself and to challenge yourself to take the task. Because it's not easy and it's not hard. Depending with how one handles the situation. Yeah.
Wazi, that is a great word from Angie. Now, as you all know, guys, simekwambia I bring the best. So niambie achievement yako. Kitu wenye unaweza sema hii hata nikikufa sahi, this is something I did and I'm proud of.
I'm proud of so many things. I'm proud of so many things. First, I'll forever be proud of my business.
Yeah.
I started it in 2019 and up to where I am right now.
Imejipa.
And I also thank everyone who is maybe watching this video and you've ever supported me in any way. Thank you so much. Angie's Collection, thanks you so much. Another thing that I think I'm really, really proud of myself is even ile kuvumilia tu nikafika hapa leo. Watu wengi wamejitia kitanzi huko bana, watu wamekufa huko. But I'm here battling. See, there are so many challenges. You wake up today, shida ni tofauti, unaamka kesho shida ni tofauti na ya jana. but mi ile kuvumilia, nikasoja on, nikafika hadi leo. I'm smiling, I'm here. I think I'm proud.
That is an achievement.
I'm proud of the life I've fought for.
That's amazing. But the people should be proud of a journey, man. Because it's intense. Kuna siku naamka we feel like giving up. But you still move on. Guys, big up, man. Yeah, I'm your guys, Ostination, bana. Because hapa Ostination, anyone who works hard, anaamka. Because I know we don't get things easy, bana. Unaamka unapata leo imekataa, kesho inajipa. Man, big up, big up. So last words.
Last words for me is that no one should give up. We all keep the faith high, because I think one day hizi shida zote, matatizo, they'll come to an end. Ndio utapata maybe there's a time tunakaa mahali, here is Austin, here is Angie,
Man.
he is another friend of ours, and then you're like, what? And you're here to give up.
Man, nasema nakumbuka ile video tulipigia.
Here to give up, because you never know whatever tomorrow holds.
Very true.
You never know whatever it holds. Tunaamka ka sunrise pale, different experiences.
But then kuna this somebody said, if you're going through hell, you should not stop, because why stop when you're in hell? So guys, endelea.
Yeah. So, watu tu wapigane.
Wapigane vitu.
Because you might be thinking that your problem is so big, but once I share my experience with you, you'll be like, why? And you hata sina shida. Anji yako na matatizo. You see, so, to say give up. We fight hard, and soon, kila kitu itakuwa shwari.
Awesome. So guys, be sure to like, subscribe, watch to the last minute, pass the video. Nilikwambia hizi video za kusaidia watu.
And they comment there down.
Comment hapo chini. Tuambie Angie anakaaje. Kwa sababu amevaa kaa chef.
They should comment. Yes.
She's more than a chef, baby. Silikwambia.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
Thank you too.
Oh.